Hey, what's going on, everybody? Today I am here in the Bent Ridge community by Landsea Homes, and I'm going to be showcasing this home right behind me. What's really nice about this home, it is a corner lot, and not only that, if you look right behind me, there's no neighbors in the front. Actually, right behind that wall is just all farmland, okay? It's not the type of farmland where there's a bunch of farm animals and you can smell all their doo-doo. It is literally just vegetation, okay? So you don't get that smell. You actually have a really nice view. This floor plan is called the Pastora floor plan. You're looking at 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath. It is a 3-car tandem as well. And then also the square footage, you're looking at 2,314 total square foot in this home. So stay tuned. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Kamusta Kababines. My name is Kuya Oscar, your go-to real estate agent here in the greater Phoenix area. If you're brand new to my channel, I go around not only on the East Valley side, but also on the West Valley side, everything in between, guys. I also do resale homes as well, and area tours so you can see what that area looks like as well. So if you're in the market for brand new construction homes, definitely hit that like, subscribe, and notification button and follow me in all these home tours. And if you are looking to purchase here in Arizona, guys, I'd absolutely love to help you. I've helped numerous buyers relocate here in Arizona, buy here in Arizona, and I would also love to be a part of your journey. Again, guys, we are here in Buckeye, Arizona. If you don't know where Buckeye, Arizona is, I'll put it on the map for you, but it's on the West Valley side, guys. Buckeye, Arizona is one of the fastest, if not the fastest growing city here in Arizona. Go ahead and stick around to the end of this video. We'll talk about this community, so the HOA, what's around this community, where's your nearest grocery shopping, how close is the freeway, how close is entertainment, how close is the airport as well. So I'll go ahead and tell you all that at the end of this video, so definitely stick around for that. Okay, so with that being said, let's go ahead and tour the Pastora floor plan. Okay, guys, so here it is, the Pastora floor plan, lot number 119. Okay, this is the Spanish elevation. So there's a few elevations here, but this is a Spanish elevation. I like the color that they chose. All right, again, this is a corner lot, so excuse the debris. This will be gone, I promise. But check this out. Okay, corner lot. And what's really awesome too is that the park, or the community park, is just right around the corner. So very convenient location, okay? So as we're outside, while we're outside, I wanted to show you in front of the home as well. So you like to host, or if you have guests over, you could definitely park along this road here. And here is the view from front of the house. So you see all the mountain views around, and then here is some farmland here, just vegetation. Like I said, it's not, where there's a bunch of animals and you smell all that, because that could be fairly nasty. But let's take a look at this beautiful home, guys. Okay, Pastora floor plan. So really nice and good sized driveway here. Okay, so if you have an extended truck, you could definitely park it here. Not to mention, again, this is a 3-car tandem garage, so it could definitely fit in your garage. As we walk up to the front of the house, I want you to check how wide this foyer area is. So just as a measurement, I just wanted to see how wide it was. I'm 5'10", and I laid across. It's definitely larger than that. Okay, so really nice foyer area, really long as well. Okay, so off to the left hand side, right when you walk through the front door, you have 2 bedrooms and a full bath. Here is one of the bedrooms. Okay, and this one does have a closet. Here is kind of like a linen closet or a storage closet. Hang your coats there, your shoes. And here is a full bath. So right across from that bedroom is the other room, which they are fairly identical in size, in my opinion. Okay. As far as how big this room is, obviously, if you really want to, you could put a queen size bed, king size bed, even up against this wall. Would still have a lot of space, you know, for more cabinets, you know, entertainment system, but really nice, large, spacious rooms. Okay. This one also has a walk-in closet. As we continue down the foyer, here is your laundry room. You have nice cabinets in the foyer area too, so more storage. That's really nice. Okay. And here is a half bath just right around the corner. And here's the entrance to the 3-car tandem. So really large garage here, guys. Love the spacing here. A couple things I want you to notice. So look at the brackets of the garage. You know, if you want more overhead storage, you could definitely put overhead storage up here. There's outlets all the way around as well. So, you know, if you have an extra refrigerator or a freezer, you could definitely put that. There's, again, outlets around. Soft water loop right there, so you could put a soft water system. And then also, you know, this 3rd-car tandem, you know, create this into your home gym. I mean, you could do a lot of stuff with here. If you have a Can-Am, some dirt bikes, you know, just toys in general, you know, this would be a great space. Or if you have a long extended truck, you know, this could definitely fit that. But really tall ceilings as well. Okay, so really nice and spacious garage here. All right, so let's go and make our way towards the den. So open den here, or what I like to call it, multi-use room, right? Whatever fits your needs. You could turn this into more, you know, entertainment room with another TV, more, you know, couches here. It could be your office, it could be your kids' playroom, but this is a great area, very open, very spacious, okay? And then right around the corner here is your primary, your main living space, Main living space, nice center sliding doors that lead to your back patio. And then here's your dining area, and then your nice kitchen. Oversized island here, nice quartz countertops. I love how they went with the earth tone, so it's on the you know, it's brown. Get a little bit closer so you can see the tone there. Nice backsplash as well. So standard appliances that come with this home, you know, is your dishwasher, range, and also your microwave. Nonetheless, you know, I always say to my clients, go ahead and put the refrigerator, washer, and dryer in the offer as well, you know, because just because you don't see it in the home doesn't mean that they can't provide it at closing, okay? So it's one of those things where just go ahead and throw it in there, guys, okay? But take a look at the space of the dining area. You could definitely put a 6-seater here. You know, a lot of windows, nice natural lighting here. And off of the kitchen area is your primary bedroom. So nice, large primary bedroom here. Here's the primary bath. Nice double vanity sinks again. Same theme throughout the house. You have a linen cabinet or linen closet. Stand-up shower. Okay, toilet area. Here is your closet. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look on the outside. So again, center sliding doors. This is usually an upgrade when it comes to new construction. So that is really nice that they have that. Check out this undercovered patio area. Really nice, large. That is equipped for a ceiling fan light combination. You could definitely put some more, like another dining area here, more seating area there. But again, this is part of the Peak collection. Okay, the Peak collection is going to have larger lots. So this is about 55 by 120. So you could do a lot of things here. When you get the house, this is just going to be bare. And it's one of those things too, if you see the builders can provide a landscaping package. That definitely varies between each builder if they do or if they don't. But if they do, throw that in the offer too, guys, So it's done when you move in. But here is the backyard. Very low maintenance, still very spacious. However, really nice for entertaining. Here's your AC units. So you still have a nice runway here. It could be like your dog run or anything like that. And on the other side there's an access gate. So you can access the side of the house from there. Again, this is the Pastora floor plan. Really nice floor plan. Just a recap. So you have 2 bedrooms there, nice den, 3-car tandem, and then your primary is just right off of the kitchen. Okay, guys, so let's go ahead and talk about like the HOA and all that other good stuff. Okay, guys, so that was a home tour. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think about this house in the comments section below. So as far as the HOA goes in this community, you're looking at about $117 a month, okay? That covers the common area maintenance, okay? The park over there, tot lots, the undercover patio area that they have at the park. So that's what that $117 cover, okay? As far as the series here, again, there's a Canyon series and also the Peak series. The Canyon series are looking at homes that's starting off only in the $349,990. Okay, so very entry level. They have different homes there. There's about 6 total floor plans in the Canyon series, a combination of both single story and also 2-story. Okay, in the Peak series, they're gonna have larger lots. Okay, and then there is 5 different floor plans in the Peak series. Okay. As far as build out times, there's still a few lots available to where you could choose from. So, if you're not in a rush to move in with a quick move-in ready home right away, and you want to, build out your own custom home or just a home in general, you're looking at a 9-month build out time. Okay. And then also as far as buyers incentives, so they are different. Okay. The homes that can close in April. So like, let's say this home right now, the current incentives there is a 3.99 30-year fix with $9,000 towards closing costs. Okay. If you are closing in May or June, there's some inventory that are closing in May or June. Those homes has a 4.99 30-year fix and $5,000 towards closing costs. Conventional, they're a little bit higher interest rates. All right, but definitely take advantage of the lower ones as well if if that suits you better. Okay, guys, so let's talk about Buckeye. Okay, so this community too, you are close to the Sundance Park. Okay, it's literally right next door to this community. Sundance Park, they have different sports courts there. They have soccer fields. They have more playgrounds for the kids. That is literally right next door. Okay, guys, let's talk about this community. This community is next to the Sundance Town Center, literally 5 minutes away. Okay, there you have Walmart, you have your Fry's grocery store there. If you have a pet, there's a PetSmart there. And if you have relatives coming in, if you have a lot of friends coming to visit in town, if you don't want them to stay with you, there's actually a Holiday Inn and a Home 2 Suites Hilton over there at the Sundance Town Center too. But that is all within 5 minutes away. Okay, the I-10 is literally just right off of the Sundance Town Center. So easy access if you work in Phoenix City itself, if you work, on the West Valley side, or even in the East Valley side. It's a very, very easy commute. Just hop on I-10, 303 loop, wherever you're going to, or the 202. Okay, very easy and accessible on the highways. If you are military, again, thank you so much for your service, guys. I served in the Navy for 4 years, back in 07 to 11 in the U.S. Navy. But Luke Air Force Base is very close to this community as well, okay? You just hop on I-10 and the 303 loop. The total distance from this community to Luke Air Force Base, you're looking at about 25 minutes. So, hey, if you're in the military, guys, the VA is one of the best programs out there, and they have great incentives for military members, and you guys deserve it. Okay, so take advantage. As far as the airport goes, okay, you're about 40 minutes away, and that's a straight shot in I-10. Okay, 40 minutes to the main Phoenix Sky Harbor Airport. As far as other entertainment here, okay, so there is a regional park very close here. So if you like to hike, if you like to go on a dirt bike, the regional park is very close by. I'll put it on the screen for you so you can see which one I'm talking about. Westgate Entertainment District is in Glendale. Okay, very close nearby as well, 28 minutes away. There you'll have Arrowhead Stadium as well. So if you want to catch a football game there, really close by. Mattel Theme Park is going to be built in Glendale. So that is going to be a really nice resort or a theme park for the kids and just for families. And also the Buckeye Resort as well is going to be built all in the same area. So guys, Buckeye itself and this community is very close to all the entertainment, both recreationally outdoors and also just, you know, for fun, you know, indoors in parks and all that good stuff. Okay. So guys, again, this was the Pastora floor plan. If you have any questions on this plan or any of the other plans that are move-in ready, actually, I'll go ahead and put that on the screen for you so you can see what other plans are available right now. Let's go ahead and book you a tour here to come see this home or any of the other homes. Again, there's 6 over there in the canyon. There's 5 different floor plans here in the Peak series. So there's definitely something for you. There's so many builders out here in Buckeye, guys. That's why it's one of the fastest growing cities. I'll put those different builders' names so you can kind of see exactly what other builders are building out here. But let's go ahead and tour some homes, guys. So feel free to reach out to me, leave a comment below. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and notification button. I'll see you on the next video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.